My bad. So, I plucked out the wrong piece. It should be D8, not D9. Kaya pala kung merong confusion. Ah, sorry. You know, it has been a condition of mine and mahilig lumigtang yung mata ko ng mga rows and columns. Especially, it's really hard for me to pick out details sa Excel. So, kasi lang, simple lang. Double time. Kumbaga parang, I need to double my effort to view spreadsheets. Kasi, and also to read. Kasi naligtang talaga. So, you have D9. And let's just insert yung ating A1 kanina. Sabi ko, bakit that may problem siya or something? Yun pala, mali yung piece na nakuha ko. So, insert lang natin siya in this part. Ayan. Insert natin siya dito. Then afterwards, lagay natin to. Yung PCF. Ayun, kumasya na siya. So, kanina hindi siya kumakasya. Ipilit pa natin hanggang dulo. Not sure. So, pwede natin ipasok yung kanyang kamay. Siguro hindi entirely na ipasok. There you go. Ito yung kamay niya. Sinababa ng prosesyon. So, afterwards, kunin natin yung shoulder blade, which is A110. Let's get A110. There we go. Just snip those off. Snip, snip, snip. After getting the shoulder blade, just insert here. But before that, lagyan mo natin siya ng sticker 9 at sticker 13. Let's get sticker 9. Where is sticker 9? Let's get sticker 9. Apply natin siya sa first part of the shoulder blade here. Where do we put it? I don't know. Hirap naman ito. Yan. So, yung sa mata, nalagay natin dito palibot. Let's just follow the outline ng yellow dun sa second parang line. Tapos, i-angle natin yung part na merong angulo. Let's just cover this with the blue part. Stuck natin dito sa taas. Ayan. There we go. Pag-apply tayo successfully ng sticker. So, that is sticker 9. Kunin naman natin yung sticker 13. The other side. Sticker 9 and sticker 13. Sila nga yung magka-partner. Pero magkalayo sila dun sa sticker. So, flip naman natin yung shoulder blade. Tapos, apply natin yung sticker. Kaya po kaagaw sa tubig. So, we now have here this color blue. Cover na rin natin yung likod. There we go. So, afterwards, after natin kuhanin yung sticker for the shoulder blade, let's now get naman yung for this specific medallion. Color blue din siya. So, let's get sticker number 10. Sticker 10. Let's just align this properly. Press to cover the whole circular piece on the sides. Let's get our tool to push the details in. There we go. Paikot lang. Get the details here and there. There we go. Done and dusted. Kunin naman natin tong shoulder blade and insert natin yung arm. That's it. Ang ganda. So beautiful. So dito, this is the arm, the elbow, and then the hand. Kunin naman natin yung other side. So after this, kunin naman natin yung PC4, PCA, and A14. Nakinasanay. Pa. Let's get A14 and then PC4. Kunin natin yung PC4 dito sa baba. PC4. PC4? PCA. That's my dyslexia kicking in. Sorry. Kunin natin yung PCA. And then A14. Kabit lang natin dito sa side. Boom. Ganda. There we go. Have that joint. So, kunin naman natin yung D8 kanina na namamblema ako. Kanina. So, there. Let's just stick it in. Stick natin dyan pala. Just try to stick it in there. Tada! It's the other side. This will make sense eventually, siguro. And then, let's get our PCF rolling. I-roll lang natin to get this part. And stick it dun sa naka-stick out na part for the arm later. Let's just get it and press it in. Nangyari. Get it and press it in. Press it inwards. And then, kunan lang natin yung hand part. Which is A12. Once done, let's just click it in place. There we go. Yan ang kamay na. You have two pairs of hands. Again, they're not facing the same side. So, kunin naman natin yung shoulder blade, which is yung ating A19. Then, let's get the sticker for A19. Kunin natin yung sticker 14 at sticker 15. Let's get sticker 8. Apply it like so. Complete na ba yung shoulder blades? Then after adding the stickers, let's just click it into place. Yeah. Ready for action. Pin, 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 pin. Step 5. We're now down sa foot. Sa paa. Sa kata na kamay ko. Let's get A2. A2. 15. Get A2 13. Parang mas detailed yung wing kesa dun sa RX. So, let's get PCF. Yung dalawa natin PCF. Let's get the two PCFs here. And then, let's just add this dun sa first. Oh no, my god, nawawala yung PC. Just insert my fingers. Basically, yung parts ng legs, parehas lang naman. Then, let's add naman yung C2. Kanyang talampakan. It's actually good, no? Merong talampakan na part for this specific Gundam. Iba kasi ay wala. Hollow lang yung nasa baba. Before we snap it into place, let's get the other part. Then, yung A2, nalagyan natin sa ibabaw ng ating C2. A215, this is C215 natin. Let's see the magic. Ang ganda ng kanyang shoes. I love it. Ang ganda ng sapatos niya. Let's just file it down. Then, insert natin yung kanyang insert this leg into this foot. Like so. Push it straight to place. Yeah. So, step 5. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. Tsaka, parang quality talaga yung ano. Hindi siya ganun kagaan. So, step 6 naman is the other foot. So, kunin lang natin yung mga parts. Basically, it's just the opposite of the other. The same step, basically. Same step lang. Just remove the excess. Be careful dun sa lalagyanan ng leg. Kunin natin yung PCF. Once done, click lang natin this into place. Just press it in and then here. Ganda talaga ng shoe. Once we're done with that step, we're now going to have the skirt. Ang kanyang waist. Ang kanyang balakang. Just up. So, kunin natin yung D5. Yung pinakadulang part. Cut it seamlessly dito. It's very lightweight. So, dito sa part na to, kuha tayo ng sticker. Let's get sticker 17 and sticker 16. 17 and 16. Let's get sticker 17 first. Apply natin na siya dito. apply it like so. Let's get this tool. Push lang natin. Let's get the other part. Lagay natin siya sa other side of the skirt. In the dark, then I will show you the shape of my heart. There we go. This is the pelvic bone. Then once done, kunin lang natin na siya. Then let's get sticker 7.
Kakainin mo lahat yun?